Okay, everybody, welcome back. We have an extension part for Merit to Excellence. Sophie decides to replace ingredient A with ingredient D in all the three smoothie mixtures. The replacement weights are 6 grams for Zero, 11 grams for Yum, and 9 grams for Zap, with 1,360 grams of ingredient D. This means equations 2 and 3 stay the same, but equation 1, which now contains ingredient D, has become that. We're going to follow the same process, using equation 1 and 2 to eliminate x, and then equations 2 and 3 to eliminate x. Because 6 and 4 are not multiples of each other, that means I'm going to have to multiply both equation 1 and equation 2 by something to get these coefficients to be the same. Well, 6 goes into 12 and 4 goes into 12, so I'm multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3 to give me the following new equations, 4 and 5. By subtracting equation 4 minus equation 5, I eliminate the x and have 8y plus 6z is 20. That's now equation 6. Next, I'm going to use equation 2 and 3 to eliminate x. Well, since equations 2 and 3 already have variables with the same coefficient, I just subtract 2 minus 3, giving me 8y minus 6z is 20. That's equation 7. Now we compare equations 6 and 7. And I see that if I add them together, I get 0 equals 0, which is true. Since that is a true statement, there are infinite solutions, meaning two of the planes intersect along a line very much like where this blue wall intersects this gray wall. Those both intersect along a line. Now, here's a little note, if you happen to get something that was false, like let's say instead of 0 equals 0, let's say you got 0 equals 18. If you get something false, it means the two planes are parallel, they never intersect, and there's no solution. Like if I ask, where does the ceiling intersect the floor? It doesn't. So if you get something true, there are infinite solutions. If you get something false, there are no solutions. Thanks for listening. Kia pai te rā, kia koe, mauri ora.